What's the meaning of carriage clock? Carriage clock. Carriage clock.
Carriage clock. Carriage clock. A carriage clock is a small, portable timepiece that was popular in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. It typically features a handle or carrying case, and was designed to be carried around while traveling. These clocks were often highly ornamental, featuring intricate designs and decorations, and were considered a luxury item at the time. Today, vintage carriage clocks are prized by collectors for their beauty and historical significance, and can command high prices at auction.